Hey everyone, welcome back to Science. Happy Wednesday. Today is an asynchronous lesson day, which means there is no designated time that you have to do your science lesson. Whenever you sit down to do science is when you sit down to do science. So make sure today, since there is no live Zoom lesson, that if you have questions or concerns about this lesson, that you either email me or send me a message through Google Classroom so that I can communicate with you and answer whatever questions that you have. Today, you're going to start by finishing up the float boat experiment from yesterday, if you did not already finish that. Remember, part of that lesson is writing your conclusion and then doing your Flipgrid video response. Make sure in your Flipgrid video response that you show us your boat design and you read us your conclusion. When you are done with that, you need to remember to go back to Google Classroom and submit the assignment for the float boat experiment. And that was posted August 31st. So make sure you go back there and click submit once you are done. Now, if you are already done with that, then you can obviously skip part one of today or step one of today because it is finishing up yesterday's lab. And the new part of today's lesson, you are then going to select a new experiment to conduct. There are 5 different short little experiments. You're going to select the one that you want to do based on your interest and based on the materials that you have to be able to complete the lab. You are going to do that experiment, and then you are going to fill out and submit a Google form to show your learning and your connection to the scientific method. Make sure you submit that Google form. That's what counts as attendance today. If you do not submit that by 8:15 tomorrow morning, you get marked as absent for today. So make sure you get that filled in with accurate information about what you learned from the experiment and how it connects to what you've been learning in class about the scientific method. Once again, if you have questions, make sure you send me an email or a message through Google Classroom. Have fun. Don't make a mess with your experiments, and we will see you soon. Bye-bye.